Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. I'm about to actually jump on the live call with Ron and the trading group this morning to see what profits we can take out. But I want to show you guys something here real quick. This is actually the signal so far just this morning. Guys, take a look at this. Look how great these are overall with these buy and sell entries. Now, I want to take it one step further. You guys, I'm going to go over a trading strategy tomorrow in my private group with the Take Profit, and it's combining the 200 EMA with this white line in your dashboard to get some of the best pinpoint entries where when you're looking to go long with these stacked, you're going to capitalize on the biggest moves possible. Guys, stay tuned. I'm going to update you with this video and see how the live trade environment went. All right, guys, I am done with the live trading session this morning. I was able to follow along with Ron. I drew out some of these boxes on here and I was going over his education on showing, when you're end up breaking above the 200 and going long with these buy signals. And overall, if you're just looking at trading with the trend and playing sell signals when you're below that 200 and this white line, you could actually capitalize on some really good movement. So today ended up about $1,300 per account. And I want to show you guys, actually, I had a 100% win rate, did not lose a single trade, took 8 trades and won every single one of them, just so you guys can see that here. And that is today 210, just so there's transparency. Let's go over this real quick and I'll analyze specifically what I did. Now, this isn't to say everyone had the same results. People could have made actually way more than I did today. Some people could have lost some money. Some people could have been break even. I'm just telling you exactly what I'm doing so I can give you education on top of this. But these boxes, let's go over this here real quick because I want you to understand the overall market momentum and the shift that you can use these metrics with. And I'll go over this a bit more tomorrow in my private call, but I wanted to give a little bit of education here for members who are not in that. And that is an analogy, not an analogy, but try to simplify this a bit more where your 200 EMA is the overall trend of the market. If you're below, you want to be going short. If you're above, you want to be going long. So when you end up getting these sell signals that are populating, think of it just like this. If you're getting a sell signal and price actions below both of these, that's where you see the movements, right? Sell signal, price actions below both, that's where you get the movements. Can you stay within these trades as long as price action stays below this white line? Yes. So you can just trail, and trail. Now, if price action comes back up and it starts hitting the 200, now we're trading like this, right? We go like this and we're like, well, is it going to break? Is it not going to break? Over here, we have green on top. Well, that's good. Well, wait until you actually break. Well, that candle right there, what happened? Look at our dashboard. It started going green. What's the first color you see? Green. What is this? That's green up. That's our box for the continuation, and look what happens. It just runs. This was one of my largest winning trades at the end here because I then just traded overall with the trend. Look at this too. If this is your white line and you're staying above this, the profit wave is stacked. Bright on the top, green on the bottom. This is how this works, and you just shift and shift. So not only could you have just taken the buy and sell signals, I'm trying to let you guys understand what I'm looking at specifically for myself to be able to say this is a confirmation within that trend overall. So congratulations to everyone who's on the call this morning. If you guys end up making money on it. Ron, thank you for leading the team as well. I had a really good time on the call, kind of sitting back in the background, getting the education, and literally just following what he's saying with his words of saying, play the market momentum. And just something I love to add to this is looking at overall the white line to be able to say if we're going short or going long for continuations. And today ended up producing 8 wins, 0 losses, $1,345 per account. So thank you guys, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. Take care. God bless.